Hey there, the team over at Kaugic has sent over this manual ear cleaner for me to try out and share with you guys. Now, this is going to help loosen and remove wax buildup. So let's take an up close look at it, go over the parts real quick, and then I'm going to try it for the first time while you guys watch. With this ear cleaner, you're going to get the ear cleaner itself. It does come in two pieces. The bottom portion is the clean water tank, and this top portion is where the pump is, as well as the wastewater tank, because it would fall back in here. It has this nice silicone guard to help keep the water going in here. It also comes with a manual and 3 extra silicone tips. All right, so before we test this out, this says it can shoot water up to 7 meters. I think I'm a little bit skeptical of that, but I do want to show you how far it does shoot water out of here because, again, it is going into my ear. So let's see if we can catch that on camera. So as you can see, it is going pretty far on camera. It's probably going at least 10 or 12 feet out from the cleaner itself. And I will say there was enough pressure where it actually knocked this off once and I had to put it back on. Let's go and give this a try and see how well it works. So our water is 100.4 to 6 degrees, which is within the temperature range suggested. I'm going to fill up the cup. So I've read the directions on how to use this. The tank is on here with the water. All I did was line up those arrows and press it together. There is no turning or twisting. Now I'm going to start putting water up to the top and we're going to see what happens. And because I've not used this before, I am going to be pretty gentle with the pumps just to see how it goes. So it's pretty comfortable. I'm not finding it's uncomfortable at all. It does take a little bit of you getting used to, making sure you're getting into the right location, because of course I can't see. Let's see if I actually got anything out of this. So here's an inside look at it. Mostly it is water, but I do see a few particles in there floating around. It could be skin, it could be wax. Let's try it one more time. All right, so we're using it again. I can feel it going into my ear canal. It's really comfortable here. The water's warm, which is nice. It's not uncomfortable at all to use. I do like how everything gets collected in this, so I don't feel like I'm making a mess anywhere, even though it is spraying just a little bit off, and I think that's me getting used to it. I like how I can control how fast I'm pumping, so there's no mechanical thing going on there, and especially with me getting used to it. I'm getting a few more particles in there. Guys, I think this is a good option for me in regards to trying to clean my ears out some. Really easy to use, simple directions. This is really comfortable. I don't find it uncomfortable, and even more importantly, I did not find that water spraying in there uncomfortable at all. If you are looking for an easy way to clean ears that's comfortable, simple to use, and then easy to clean, because when it needs cleaning, I can just clean out this really well, I can clean out the bottom, and I can get those tips nice and clean, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.